Most businesses and business owners know that Google My Business or your Google Business profile is a great place to stand out on Google for free. But did you know it's also a great way to share news about your business as well? So today I'm going to be sharing 10 post ideas that you can actually use as inspiration for your Google Business profile so that when people are actually searching for you and what it is that you do, you come up and you make it incredibly easy for them to click through to your website. Hi everyone, it's Leanne Cohen here, Digital Success Coach and owner of the agency Marketing Lead. And my passion is to actually help business owners demystify digital marketing and help them through educational courses and training, giving them marketing clarity and some really practical marketing solutions that will actually work and help you springboard your business to success. So a lot of the information that I share in these weekly videos I've been doing in my agency, Marketing Lead, for my clients for a number of years now. So I know from experience that these actually work. So as I said, today we are going to be talking about different post ideas that you can actually set up in your Google My Business profile. So if you have a Google Business profile, you'll be very aware of the fact that it helps your customers and consumers locate your company's name, your location, your website, photographs, and so much more on Google Search and on Google Maps. Now, I've done a previous video talking about Google My Business and giving you a step-by-step guide on how to set that up. So I'll put links in the description box for that, so you can watch those and learn how to actually set up your Google My Business profile correctly. Now, the postings feature, and with Google My Business, there is so much, and just to give you an idea of how this actually looks when people are searching for you, generally you will actually come up on a desktop on the right hand side of the page. Otherwise you'll come up in Maps on mobile. But this actually gives people a lot of information about your business, from the hours that you're open. It actually comes up with different reviews that people have left for you, including reviews from Facebook and other areas, and then posts as well. And it also gives people ways of interacting with you through Facebook and LinkedIn with your different profiles. So what we're going to be talking about today is your post when it comes to your business page. Your postings actually able to enable you to publish directly to Google Search and Google Maps. It allows you to put out there announcements, discounts, if you've got a new inventory item or a new stock item that you want to promote. If you've got events that you want to put out there as well, you can use that through the posting. And it's such a great way to keep current and future customers informed on what it is that you're doing. So quite often we find with business owners, they find it a little bit hard to know what to post. Now with our clients, regardless of whether we are doing a SEO package or whether we're doing a social media package, we will always do Google My Business purely because of the impact that it has. So to give you a little bit of a view from the back end, when you go into the back end of the profile manager, you have the option for all of these different things, from home, posts, info, gives you insight so you can see how many people are visiting your website, who are calling your business, and how people are finding you as well. Then, as well as that, you get this great option for reviews. Now, this used to be very complicated. I actually used to have a 2-page PDF showing people how to do this. Google has made it incredibly easy now, in the simple fact that on your homepage, they actually give you the option here to share a review form, and they give you a link. And that link you can put on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, or you can share it by email. Now, what we do with a lot of our clients whose websites we manage, we will actually take this link, and with the social icons on their website, we will always make sure that there's a Google icon. And it's one of the best ways of actually just putting a link with a button somewhere that people can click on, and they go directly to here and leave a review for your business. And again, if you're using WordPress, there's a lot of plugins that will actually allow you to pull your Google My Business profiles across to your website, which is great because it builds the authority. So that's the one with the reviews. You can see how you show up on search and how you show up on maps. So what we're actually going to be talking about today is the post. Now, the best thing about posts, and just to give you an idea of what that looks like, you only have the posts that you do will actually only show up on Google My Business for 7 days, and then it goes sort of dark. But if you go into the back end, you can actually see all the posts here. And when people go in and have a look at your business on search, all of these posts will actually show up, which is just such a fantastic option to have. Now, when you're creating a post, and this is why this is so important, is the fact that you can create your status here exactly the same as what you would do with Facebook or Instagram or any of the other social medias. You can give them an offer, you can tell them what's going on in your business, or you can even create an event here, and that will actually show up when people are searching on that first page. So if we're just creating just a normal post, we'll just create a normal post here. Now, there's, like I said, there's quite a few things that you can do. You can do your event. So it doesn't matter what it is, whether you're doing a book signing, whether you've got a workshop coming up, maybe you've got somebody that's actually coming to your premises that you want to promote. The promo offers are great because, again, if you've got different things happening, that will show up straight away. If you've got a product or a service launch, if you are celebrating a holiday, if you're doing any business updates, these are different posts that you can put out there, and letting people know what's actually going on in your business. And then, of course, taking the review posts that you've got that are showing up on Google and creating a post out of that, because, like I said before, that actually builds and shows your authority. And one of my favorite sayings is that people really aren't interested in what you have to say about your own business, but they'll believe a complete stranger that they've never met and they don't know because they're taking the time to put a review on your business. So reviews are fantastic, and you can actually create a review post and pop it up here as well. Celebrating a milestone, or even just personalizing your posts. And then the final one is actually just showing some gratitude and saying thank you, and thanking them for their business. So there are some of the great posts that you can actually create. But one of the things that I really love about this is the fact that with your button here, you can have your call to action, but you can have a button that goes directly to a number of different places on your website, in your e-commerce store, or even just to your contact page or something like that. If you're running an event, they can sign up directly. So you can get people to book directly, they can order online, they can buy, they can learn more information, sign up, or they can call you. So this straight away negates all the friction, because people are seeing information on the post that they like, they can click on it and they go directly to that particular website or that particular landing page so that they can buy from you. And again, totally free. And if you've got your Google My Business page set up correctly, people are going to be able to find you. The other thing that I love about the Google My Business page is the fact that you can put your products and your services in here. Now, the other one is with photos, and we find when we're running reports for clients that we do a lot of SEO work on, one of the things that comes up a lot is people that are doing image searches and the photos are actually showing up. And so we can actually monitor how many times the photos that the business has actually put up on Google My Business is actually showing, which is fantastic because it gives you an idea of how many people are looking at images and doing image searches. And again, if the images are named correctly and they're optimized, it's a great way of sending people directly to your business. But one of the things that I think is fantastic here is that you can actually have a list of all of your different services listed here. And this will actually help you when it comes to your optimization, and it will actually help you when it comes to being seen and actually showing up online. Again, once you've written your post to show up on Google My Business, you've got to make sure that you have photos, and you can even put video in there if you want. Keep your post brief, and like all things when it comes to social media, make sure that you've got your clear call to action. And again, Google makes it really easy by giving you the option of different buttons. Book now, reserve your spot, leave a review, all of that sort of thing, which is great. So that is the 10 different posts that you can put up on Google My Business. And as I said, I do have another video where I run through how to set up Google My Business and how to does it correctly. So I'll put those links below. But if you need help in getting traction for your marketing, through my agency Marketing Link, we actually offer a full range of realistic, practical marketing solutions that deliver results and will hit the spot with your customer. So if that's something that you're looking for, that this is all very exciting, but you don't have time and you want someone to do it for you, we have a full service agency that does that. If it's just simply a case that you feel as if you're drowning in the overwhelm, I've got 2-hour coaching sessions as well as 12-week one-on-one mentoring program that will actually give you a clear action plan, a digital strategy map, checklists, and actually get your business and your marketing set up so that you can focus on doing nothing more than servicing your clients and growing your business online. So they're just some of the services that we offer. But regardless of what you need when it comes to your online marketing and when it comes to marketing your business, take the lead, because we are your springboard to success. So I hope that has been of some value to you today. Next week, we're actually switching topics from Google, and we're going to start looking at websites and the best way to show up online using that one element of IP that you actually own, which is your website. So in the meantime, guys, have an amazing week, and I will see you again next week. Bye for now. If you'd like to learn more about how to grow your business online and how to stand out in the online space, then don't forget to click the subscribe button below, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified every single time we upload a new training video.